National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lansdale to near Powley to near Coatesville, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, West Chester, Norristown, Chester, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Yadden, Westtown, Downingtown, Conshohocken, Swarthmore, Kennett Square, Collegeville, Royersford, Knobberth, Trapp, East Lansdowne, and Arden. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 307 and 337. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 32. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 95 in Delaware near mile marker 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 342. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a warning for The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sussex County in southern Delaware, central Kent County in central Delaware, southeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dover Speedway to near Milford to Smithville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Milford, Harrington, Camden, Lewis, Milton, Bridgehead, Cheswell, Elendale, Bowers, Woodside, Smithville, Rising Sunshine, Lebanon, Agner, Dover Base Housing, Dover Speedway, Andrewsville, Rising Sunshine, Big Stone Beach, and Wyoming. People at the Delaware State Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and Caroline, Maryland. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles until 5 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bowers Beach to 7 nautical miles west of Slaughter Beach, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brown Shoal Light, 14-foot Bang Light, Slaughter Beach, Cape and Lopez, East Point, Bowers Beach, Rehoboth Beach, Cape May Point, Myalaw Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, Indian River Inlet Ridge, Wildwood, Overfalls Shoal, Seal City, Buoy 2 milliseconds and Cross Ledge Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.